To turn on or turn off TikTok weekly screen time updates in Android phone, open TikTok app, tap TikTok to open, and then tap profile. Next, tap more icon or three line icon. Select settings and privacy. And then scroll down the screen. Select digital well-being. And then on weekly screen time updates, tap switch until blue to turn on. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Stay updated on your time for your app info. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.